National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City out to Mid-Lake until 5 o'clock p.m. At 3:35 p.m., a line of strong thunderstorms located along a line extending from 23 nautical miles northwest of the St. Joseph Light to 19 nautical miles south of Winthrop Harbor, moving southeast at 20 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots and small hail. Source, radar indicated.